Welcome to this quick tutorial on setting up billable items in Servis Software. Follow these simple steps to manage your billable items efficiently. Let's get started. First, log into your Servis Software account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the data menu on the left-hand side under Management and select billable items from the options. On the billable items page, you'll see a list of existing billable items. Click on the Add Billable Item button to create a new billable item. A form will appear where you can enter the details for the new billable item. Fill in the item's name, description, price, and any other required fields. Now, once you've filled out the form, you can add another item or you can click on Save. You'll be taken back to the billable items page where you can see the new billable item listed. If you need to make any changes, click the three dots next to the item and select the Edit button. Here, you can update your item accordingly. And that's it, you've successfully set up a new billable item in Servis Software. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.